Have you ever noticed how money just seems to disappear? Right when you think you're finally getting ahead, you save, and suddenly your car breaks down. You start a business, and something unexpected wipes it out. What if I told you? It's not just bad luck. It might be spiritual. Today, we're talking about why money is spiritual, and how generational curses and blessings can shape your financial destiny without you even knowing it. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Today we go deep into faith, mindset, and breaking cycles that keep us stuck. If you've ever felt like something invisible is fighting your progress, this one's for you. Let's start with this truth. Money is not just physical, it's spiritual so as life. Money reveals what's happening in your heart, your lineage, and your spiritual environment. When you see consistent financial struggle, debt, stagnation, or loss, sometimes it's not poor planning. It's a pattern, a spiritual pattern that's been in your family for generations. Now let's go into the Word. Exodus 25 says, "I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, punishing the children for the sin of the parents to the third and fourth generation." That means some of what you're fighting today didn't even start with you. It started with your bloodline. Your grandfather's decisions, your great-grandmother's covenants, things that were done spiritually, knowingly or unknowingly, that opened doors to poverty, stagnation, delay, or confusion. Generational curses can show up as patterns. Those aren't coincidences. Those are spiritual interruptions. For example, have you seen families where all the ladies are getting married or anyone in the family can easily start a business and it gets successful? That's not lucky. That is an example of generational blessing. There are some families where no one has ever been successful. That is a sign of generation curse, or success on them comes very hard. They have to fight and sweat for everything. But here's the good news. Generational curses can be broken. Look at Esther. When her people were under a generational curse of destruction, she didn't run. She fasted. Esther 4:16 says, "Go, gather together all the Jews and fast for me. Do not eat or drink for 3 days, night or day." That was a spiritual reset. Through fasting, she changed the verdict over her bloodline. And that's what some of us need to do. Go into Esther mode. When you fast and pray, you're saying, whatever covenant my ancestors made that brought poverty, I'm breaking it. I'm not carrying this curse another generation. Now listen, if curses can travel through bloodlines, so can blessings. Deuteronomy 7:9 says, "Know therefore that the Lord your God is God. He is the faithful God, keeping his covenant of love to 1,000 generations." That means your obedience today can unlock blessings for your children and your children's children. When you tithe, pray, and live righteously, you're not just sowing for yourself. You're creating a spiritual inheritance. So stop saying, "That's just how our family is." No, that's how the curse was. You have authority in Christ to break it. Fast, pray, declare, sow with purpose. Because the same way poverty can run in a family, so can prosperity. The same way brokenness can repeat, so can breakthrough. Money isn't just paper, it's spiritual power. And today, you can choose which spirit governs yours. If this message hit your spirit, don't just scroll away, type, "I'm breaking it" in the comments. Because when you speak it, you start it. And share this video. Someone in your family line needs to hear it. This is your name, reminding you, what runs in your family can end with you. And what starts with you can bless generations.